When the brain ages too fast, a new clue to schizophrenia. This is a scientific video which is based on research findings published in famous peer-reviewed journals and government reports. Please see the reference section available at the end of the video for source papers. Schizophrenia is one of the most enigmatic mental disorders, affecting roughly 1% of the global population. Characterized by hallucinations, delusions, cognitive dysfunction, and social withdrawal, schizophrenia has long been viewed as a neurodevelopmental disorder. However, emerging research suggests a new perspective that accelerated brain aging may play a central role in its onset and progression. As we age, our brains undergo gradual structural and functional decline. This includes reductions in gray matter volume, weakening of white matter integrity, and slower synaptic transmission. In most people, these changes occur over decades. But in individuals with schizophrenia, researchers have observed signs of these aging-like processes much earlier in life, sometimes in their 20s or 30s. This phenomenon is known as accelerated brain aging. It refers to the mismatch between chronological age and biological brain age, where the brain appears older than expected based on its physiological characteristics. Advanced neuroimaging techniques, such as machine learning models trained on MRI data, can estimate brain age with remarkable accuracy. Studies comparing these brain age estimates with actual chronological age have consistently found that individuals with schizophrenia tend to have brains that look several years older than their healthy peers. For example, one landmark study found that individuals with schizophrenia had a brain predicted age that was, on average, 3 to 5 years older than their actual age. Importantly, this gap correlated with cognitive impairment and negative symptoms, suggesting that accelerated aging could not only be a marker of the disease but may actively contribute to its symptoms. Several biological mechanisms may underlie this accelerated aging. Oxidative stress. Schizophrenia is associated with increased oxidative damage in the brain, which can accelerate cellular aging. Inflammation. Chronic neuroinflammation may damage neurons and reduce synaptic connectivity, contributing to premature aging. Mitochondrial dysfunction. Energy production abnormalities in neurons can lead to early neurodegeneration. Genetics and epigenetics. Some genes linked to schizophrenia also influence aging pathways, and epigenetic modifications, such as DNA methylation patterns, have been found to resemble those in older individuals. If schizophrenia truly involves a component of accelerated brain aging, this insight could revolutionize how we detect, monitor, and treat the disorder. Brain age biomarkers might help identify at-risk individuals before clinical symptoms emerge. Moreover, interventions aimed at slowing brain aging, such as antioxidant therapy, anti-inflammatory agents, or lifestyle interventions, might offer new avenues for treatment. There is even speculation that some antipsychotic medications, particularly those that modulate inflammation and oxidative stress, may partly work by slowing this aging process. Schizophrenia may not be just a disorder of abnormal brain development, it may also be a disorder of premature brain decline. By recognizing the role of accelerated brain aging, we open new doors for understanding, preventing, and treating this complex mental illness. As science continues to refine its understanding of brain aging, we may be one step closer to untangling the mysteries of schizophrenia and improving the lives of those affected. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more discoveries straight from the lab to your screen.